All right, you guys, we're getting ready to start number corner. Hey at home. Do you guys want to say hi to the kids at home?
Hello.
Hey, kids at home. Okay, today is the 18th, so we're going to take a look at our square here for the 18th. And it says, you want to read it to us, Cross?
Sophia lost 3 crayons from her new box. Then there were 7 crayons left in the box. How many crayons did the box have when it was new?
That sounded perfect. Okay, I'm hoping it was loud enough for you guys to hear at home. So she lost 3 crayons. There were 7 left in the box. How many does she have? You should be kind of picturing this like a movie in your head, okay? Where she had some crayons, she lost 3 of them, but she still has 7. How many did she start with? Some of you guys are just itching to tell me already. I can see it.
10.
Okay. Well, Grace, let's not shout it right away, right? But I'm hearing her say 10. What are you guys thinking? 10?
10.
10? 10. Okay, Faith, yeah? 10?
It's correct.
Okay, it is correct. So we will say that this is a problem, right? A story problem. It's not like a picture of pennies or a number rack. So we'll put problem. And then we know that the equation that you guys came up with equals 10. But what did you guys do to get 10? What did you do to get 10 with this story problem?
Wait, how much crayons are in the box again?
Okay, I'll read it again. Sophia lost 3 crayons from her box. Then there were 7 left. How many did she have at the beginning when they were new?
Oh, so I just had 7.
Okay.
And then I said,
And then she lost.
If she lost 7 crayons,
Uh-huh.
she would I counted and then I got 10.
Okay, so it's kind of like you said that you started with 7 and you counted on and you counted 3 by the time you got to 10. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is 10. We could have said we didn't know, like 10 equals, and then we could have, well, I guess I'm doing almost the same thing but kind of just turning it around. We could have said 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, so that either one of those would work for
Or
us.
10 equals 3 plus 7.
Exactly. Hey, put your mask up over your nose, please, okay? Thank you. Okay, so we are looking at the number 10. What do we have to add to 10 in order for it to equal 20? If you know it, just blurt it out.
10.
Because I think we're pretty good with those facts. So if we know them, we're not going to spend as much time on them. But I like how fast you are. Okay, we are also going to take a look at our clock. Grace, can they see my clock if you look at my iPad? They can see that over there? Okay, that's okay. At least they can see where we're headed. And they're going to have that paper as well. So you guys will be good to go. Okay, yesterday we left off at 6 o'clock. And we are going to add 60 minutes to 6 o'clock.
They can't see the clock.
Well, okay, how about this?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks, you guys. All right, let's hear it. Let's count by 5s. Go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
All right, it is now 7 o'clock, right, you guys? 7 o'clock a.m. What are we normally doing at 7 o'clock a.m.?
Waking up.
You're waking up? Okay. You guys all kind of waking up around 7? You already awake? What do you do at 7?
I'm going to bed.
No, you don't go to bed at 7 in the morning.
No, you wake up like at 3 in the morning, and then I go to bed at 7.
If you woke up that early, maybe you would take a nap by 7. But on a typical day, you're not going to bed at 7 a.m. Okay?
That's the weekend.
But on your paper, let's jot down. So you're going to go to your clock paper. And you guys at home should have this paper too, hopefully. I got to flip back because we did some odd and even work yesterday. So I'm going to write 7 o'clock. I know what I'm doing is I'm usually getting ready to take my dog for a walk. So I am
I'm up and
getting Doc. Doc is the name of my dog if you didn't know that at home.
I know.
And then you're going to fill in your clock because we've done this a few times now and we're up to 7 o'clock. And I'll show you guys at home what I'm doing. So I said at 7 o'clock I'm usually getting Doc, my dog, to get ready to go for a walk. Is that good, Grace? Grace is telling me whether I'm too high or too low. This is awesome. And then I'm filling it in right here to show that we're up at the 7 o'clock hour. Okay, we'll go ahead and do it on our wall too. I've been forgetting to do it down here, so I'll just turn our hour hand here to 7 o'clock. And we'll color it in.
I already did that.
Good. I'm going to need your help in a minute, second graders, because we have to add 60 onto the minutes we already have. So here's 7 o'clock a.m. We were at 180 minutes, and now we have to add 60 to that. What are you thinking, Faith?
I think 140. I need
Ooh.
240.
240. So let's think. I'm going to add by 10. So 180, 190, 200, then 210, 220, 230, and then 240. You've got it. So we have already counted 240 minutes. Look at us go. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's all we're going to do with the clock page. And then I'm going to turn the camera so that you guys can see some odd and even work because we're going to do some odd and even work today. So let me just give this a little spin. Second graders in class, you guys doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're alive.
You're alive. That's always a good thing.
We're still doing
Don't sound so excited.
from your math work of doing.
And that's too excited about now.
Oh no.
I'm not alive.
Better up my game.
It's called the math of doing for a reason.
No one calls it that. It's not a thing.
Yeah. I'm almost dead. Stop making it a thing. Stop
Hey, you
making
guys.
it a thing.
All right. I need you guys to stop shouting out so I can talk to you about odd and even. Excuse me. This is a new chart we're going to start today. And we're going to keep track of the numbers from our calendar and whether we have odd numbers or even numbers. So since today is the 18th, I'm going to put 18 squares up here. So we've got 2, 4, 6. Here we go. 8.
Now you just have to add 10 more.
10,
add
12,
more.
14,
16.
16, and then 18. Okay, when I'm doing odd and even, and I'm trying to figure out whether these are odd, this is an odd or even number 18. Why do you think I put them in pairs like this as I was counting? Anybody know why do you think I did this? Emmett, what do you think?
It's an odd number. There will be one
Yes,
on
exactly. Third graders, you guys have to be silent, please, because we're recording for the kids at home. Hunter, Caitlin, can you guys, if you're asking for help spelling or something, just whisper, okay? Because it got way too loud for a sec. Okay, so Emmett was right. I set it up like this because I knew that if I got to my number and there was one number left over or one square left over, I would know that that's an odd number. So what do you think, Wyatt? Do you think that 18 is an odd number or an even number? What'd you say? I think it's even too, but I don't even just think it, I know it. So yeah, you've got it, it's 18. So we're gonna put just 18 here for the date. I'm not gonna put the 9 for September. And then we have just declared that it is an even number.
They kind of look like eyes, those little pieces.
Okay, I can see that.
They kind of look like eyes.
Who knows of an addition problem? I think I heard you say one, Cayenne. An addition problem that the answer would be 18.
10 plus 8.
10 plus 8. Great. I'm gonna put that.
I didn't
Equals
really
18.
even say
That would have been a good one too, 9 plus 9. Okay, Cross, since you were on it with the addition one there, can you give us a subtraction problem? Let's do a subtraction problem where we start with 18. Sorry. So 18 minus something.
18 minus 9 is
There you go. I love how you took your addition fact and you flipped it into subtraction. Nice job. Okay, that's all that we need to have recorded for today. So we'll say goodbye to our friends at home. Do you guys want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Adios!
Adios.
And then I'll give you guys some more work to do. Haha.